Good morning, good morning, good morning, dear kids. How are you? How are you? How are you, dear kids? Yes, look at here. Who had came to meet you all? Yes, today Chinky had came to meet you all. Say hello. Hello. How are you? Yes, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. Yes, today is Wednesday and we are going to learn mathematics subject. Do you know in mathematics subject which topic we are going to learn today? Something interesting topic. Do you know which topic is that? Yes, that is ordinal number. Now tell me what is ordinal number? That Miss will explain you it. Okay? Yes. Yes, look at here. Many animals are, yes, racing here. Yes, among the animals, there is a race among the animals. Look at here. Yes, which animal is this? This is rabbit and deer. Then bear, fox, cow, squirrel, yes, elephant, yes, all these animals is running in the race. So which animal had come first? Yes, you can see, yes, rabbit had won the race. Okay, first number. Yes, so now I will show something to you. Yes? Yes, dear kids. Look at here. Miss had kept some of the toys over here. Okay, yes, her name is Chinky. Yes, she is in first position. Yes, then Minky, Chinky, Minky, Doggy, yes, Doggy, then Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. Now tell me, Chinky is in first position, yes, and Minky is in second position and Doggy is in third position. Then Teddy is in fourth position. Yes, dear kids. Yes, dear kids. Look at here. Some jungle animals had took part in a jungle race. Yes, I think you can see the animals. Yes. Oh, wow. How many animals are there? 10 animals are took part in jungle race. Oh, wow. Look at here. Cow, giraffe, elephant, tiger, cheetah. Yes. Look at here, dear kids. Many animals had took part in jungle race. Oh, gorilla. Yes, dear kids, look at here. Many animals are took part in a jungle race. Wow. Look at here. Look at here, dear kids. Many animals are ready to took place in jungle race. Oh yes, look at here. Which animal had Won the first position, that is cheetah. Wow. Wow. Yes, look at this animal who had won the first position, dear kids. That is cheetah. Cheetah is in first position. Lion is in second position. And in third position, tiger is in third position. Cow is in fourth position. Bear is in fifth position. Look at here. Elephant is in sixth position. Sheep is in seventh position. Yes, gorilla is in eighth position. Zebra is in ninth position. Yes. Goat is in 10th position. Yes, dear kids, goat is in 10th position. Yes, I think you had understood the position of the animals. Yes, dear kids. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. First, who had got the first position? That is cheetah. Yes, I think you understood the position. For example, look at here. देखिए यहाँ पे कितने सारे एनिमल्स है ना बच्चों? तो देखिए सारे एनिमल्स के साथ में रनिंग रेस होता है ना? रनिंग रेस होते समय बताइए अभी यहाँ पर कितने एनिमल्स है ना, कितने सारे जानवर है, तो इनमें से सबसे आगे कौन सा आया है एनिमल? विच एनिमल हैड वन दिस रेस? दैट इज रैबिट, है ना? रैबिट जो है कौन सा क्वेश्चन में आया बेटा? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज ऑर्डिनल नंबर, है ना? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हम बोलते हैं ना, आप भी स्कूल में अगर ये रेस करते हैं तो आप फर्स्ट आते हो कि नहीं? यस, उसी तरह से एनिमल के बीच में रनिंग रेस हुआ तो सबसे आगे कौन आया? रैबिट. रैबिट हैड वन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यस, तो वो क्वेश्चन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? फर्स्ट. यस. देन देखिए विच एनिमल हैड वन द सेकेंड प्लेस? दैट इज डीर, है ना? देखिए यस, सेकेंड में आए हैं, है ना? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन डीर. देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन में कौन आया है? भालू. थर्ड में कौन है? भालू, है ना? भालू. देन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में कौन है? देखिए फॉक्स. फोर्थ में कौन है बच्चों? फॉक्स. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में है फॉक्स. देन फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में कौन है? फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में काऊ. क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ में काऊ आया है ना? देन सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. सिक्स्थ में कौन है? स्क्विरल, गिलहरी. सिक्स्थ में कौन है बच्चों? स्क्विरल, है ना? Now look at the seventh position. Which animal is this? Donkey, है ना? Donkey जो है सेवेंथ पोजीशन में है ना बच्चों? डोंकी जो है सेवेंथ पोजीशन में है. डोंकी. देन एट्थ पोजीशन में कौन है बताइए? एट्थ में ओ एलिफेंट, हाथी. एलिफेंट, है ना? हाथी. देन नाइन्थ पोजीशन में कौन है? गेंडा. नाइन्थ पोजीशन में कौन है बच्चों? गेंडा, है ना? देन टेंथ पोजीशन में कौन है? ओ टॉर्टोइस. टेंथ पोजीशन में कौन है? टॉर्टोइस, है ना? These are all about ordinal numbers. Yes, I think you had understood व्हाट इज ऑर्डिनल नंबर? तो पोजीशन हमको दिखाता है। जैसे यहाँ पर एनिमल्स का हमने रेसिंग रखी, उनमें कौन फर्स्ट आया, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, ऐसे पोजीशन जो दिखाता है बेटा, स्थान जो दिखाता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स। ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स, ओके। Yes, dear kids, Miss had written all the spelling in the board, so just please note it down, beta. First, F-I-R-S-T first, then S-E-C-O-N-D second, T-H-I-R-D third, F-O-U-R-T-H fourth, F-I-F-T-H fifth, then S-I-X-T-H sixth, S-E-V-E-N-T-H seventh, then E-I-G-H-T-H eighth, N-I-N-T-H ninth, then T-E-N-T-H tenth. Yes, dear kids, these are all ordinal numbers. You have to write the spelling like this. Yes, so please try to learn also and note down in your box line page. Yes, dear kids. Yes, dear kids, now take out page number 37 beta. Yes, so what you have to do is ordinal number, match the ordinal numbers to their names. Yes, right now you had written the names, now we will match along with their spellings. Okay, dear kids, so at the very first, which number is this? This is second. Now we will search for the spelling of second. It is here second. Then fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H. Come on, search it, search it, search it. Where is the spelling of fourth? Yes, here it is. Now seventh. Where is the spelling of seventh? Here. Now tenth. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. Okay. Now first, F-I-R-S-T first. Then third, T-H-I-R-D third. This is the spelling of third. N-I-N-T-H ninth. Come on, search the spelling of ninth. Yes, 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 here it is. Very good. Then fifth, F-I-F-T-H. Where is the spelling of fifth? Yes, here it is. So we will match this spelling. Okay, dear kids, I think you had understood how to match the spelling along with ordinal numbers. Yes, dear kids. Now take out page number 3838. Okay. Yes, what you have to do is, dear, look at the position of each object, match the object to the correct ordinal number. You have to see the position of these objects. Yes, yes, dear kids, now look at the object where the ball, which position beta? It is in fifth position. So we have to match this ball with fifth position. Okay, like the same way, look at the fan. Which position is the fan? It is in ninth position. So you have to match fan according to the position. Ninth, number ninth, ordinal number, number 9. Yes, okay. Then kite, where is it? It is in second position. Okay, second position. Now you have to look at the second position. Yes, here it is second, ordinal number second. Okay, now mobile, where is the mobile? Yes, it is in seventh position. Okay, so we will search the seventh position. Where is it? 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 Yes, here it is. Seventh position. Now, what is this? Bird. Bird is in which position? Oh, it is in last position, number 10. Okay, so yes, we will match the bird with this 10th position. Okay, then cap in which position? Cap is in which position? Come on, first position. So we will match the cap with first position. Okay, by this way you have to match the ordinal number with the objects beta. Okay, example had given here. By this position you have to match these objects. Okay, I think you had understood this topic very well. It is very easy beta. Try to learn and write also. Okay, now take out page number 39. Ordinal number. Look at the ordinal number and color the correct object. Here fifth had given here beta. So you have to color only the fifth circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth circle. Fifth means you have to color the fifth circle. Okay. Second means you have to color the second oval. Okay. This page is your homework beta. You have to do rest of the page. 8th position. So you have to color the 8th box. Then first position you have to color the first. Then 7th position you have to count 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So you have to color this. Okay. By this way you have to complete this page. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See you.